Hello guys, do you know how to find out the IP address on a laptop? It can check through command prompt with simple steps. First, make sure the laptop is connected to a network. Second, open the start menu, the type command prompt, and run the application. Third, after command prompt open, type ipconfig and press enter. Finally, some information will appear on the screen. Look at the IPv4 address, the IP address used by the laptop. Thank you.